We have seen the resource scheduling video tutorial on how the application can be used to plan the processing of works orders across the capacity that the business has for any given resource. In this video, we're looking at the creation of these individual resources. This is done through Stock, Resources, New Resource. Here we can edit name and description for the resource. We can indicate whether this is a subcontract resource rather than an in-house resource. Subcontract resources will have their capacity displayed in yellow on the scheduling screen. We enter the labor cost per hour for running this resource, or if this is a subcontract resource, the cost charged per hour by the subcontractor. The default capacity for this resource is entered here in minutes, so for an 8-hour shift, we'll have 480 minutes of capacity available. The default start time, which is on the screen, is shown as minutes past midnight, so 480 minutes past midnight indicates a start time of 8 a.m. When that is done, we click Create, and the resource is added to the resources listing screen. If we now look at the scheduling screen, we can see that the resource has been added to our list with a start time of 8 a.m. and a shift capacity of 8 hours. It is important to note that the resource might be a single machine, as in this case, a group of individuals, an individual, or a group of machines. When setting up a stock item, we use the Manufacturing tab to enter manufactured items from the Resources listing screen. We enter a setup time in minutes and the process time for processing a default batch quantity in whatever resource that might be. The labor cost for that product is based on the processing time and the setup time and the labor cost that we have entered against that resource.